Namaskaram. Thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule for hearing us out. I hope this presentation will give you a new perspective and a way to solve big and small problems students face in your campus. We want to help you connect with the students in the best possible way. Agenda. Here are the topics we are about to discuss. Firstly, the problem of indoor wayfindings. How we solved it in our first pilot. It is not just about indoor maps. There is other side of the coin also. At last, we will discuss pricing. The problem of indoor wayfindings. Whenever we visit a large campus, whether it be a university, college, hospital, shopping mall, finding what we are looking for is difficult. It is challenging for students also to navigate to a classroom, lab or office within a large campus. People often ask, where is the admission office, where is the computer lab 4, where is the staff room, etc. Yes, there may be signboards or physical maps, but do you think they can help in this digital era also? Searching becomes hectic when the list is long. आपको वो टाइम याद होगा जब हमें रेलवे स्टेशन की वॉल पर बने हुए टाइम टेबल्स पर ट्रेन ढूंढनी पड़ती थी. But today, in this digital era, we have applications where in a single tap we can find the train we are looking for. Similarly, here also signboards and physical maps are obsolete. We got to digitalize this solution. We also faced this problem for the first time in our university itself. This problem can cost thousands of rupees to a student. I have seen a student lose 50% scholarship because of losing his way to the examination hall and not being able to give the exam. Why solve? Solving this problem will be a great help to new visitors and freshers also. Also to students and faculties in the time of exams. The existing solutions are inefficient, so we are here with a solution made in and for India. We primarily solve the problem of building fast, lightweight and easy to use indoor map solution. Proposed solution. So what does our solution look like? It is just like Google Maps but for indoors. Users can see interactive digital floor map. Moreover, they can easily search what they are looking for. Features. Let me now walk you through the features of our solution. Firstly, you can view the entire floor map of any building. You can also filter the floor map based on categories. Easy searching all across the campus. Type what you are looking for and there you have it. Alternate names for room. Some rooms have multiple names. For example, here tutorial room 4 is also known as TR4. You can type all the alternate names and users can also search according to these names also. Additional information like contact details, faculty cabins, working hours can also be added. We show images for general entities like drinking water, restroom, stairs, entrance exit, lift, etc. Users can also share the indoor location via unique links. Each room has its own unique link which can be shared and then opened in the app itself. Easy and fast updates to the map. You can update the map anytime, anywhere and it will be reflected in the user's applications in real time. Contacts directory. You can also provide some useful contacts to the users. You can send notifications and announce in the application itself. Track app usage. You can track in real time how many users have installed your application and how many times the application is used today. Seamless offline experience. We have developed a great solution where maps need to be fetched only once and then they can be used offline. Yet it is synchronized. Whenever you update the maps, it will be updated in the user application also. And all these powers are bundled up in your single admin application. Our uniqueness. When compared to competitors, our maps are fast. Also, our map size is very small. So our solution is feasible in India. Technology others use is tile overlays while we use vector polygons. You can clearly see vectors give better performance. There are no server costs in our solution. You can quickly and easily modify the maps with our easy to use admin application. Our app requires just one time fetch and after that it works even offline. We are not here to talk about some superficial tech. We have already solved this problem in our university. Let's see how it has been helping people. Here is our first pilot app named JU Easy. JU is short for JCRC University, Jaipur. Lives we impacted. The app we released in our university made a huge impact. We helped 3000 plus people find indoor locations 17,000 plus times in a single year. Around 25 searches are made each day. Love we received from our users. As a result of this help, people loved our solution. It has been rated 4.6 stars on Play Store with 320 plus positive reviews. Around 80% of the star ratings are 5 stars. And all of this is organic. Other problems solved. We didn't stop at indoor maps, we solved more problems. Great analytics was our motivation. Along with the campus guide, the indoor maps, we added more features to the app like study material, contacts directory, mass food menu, blogs, etc. You might be thinking that why work on this problem when only students benefit from this? What's in it for the administration? How could the university benefit from this? If you are thinking the same, hold on. We are going to discuss that in this section. Benefits to the university. The app gives a premium feeling to the users. Using application, you can provide your important services in a better way. You can send notifications and deliver information to the right users at the right time. You can promote events, local companies, coaching centers, hostels, and make profit. The app will make you stand out, and ultimately it will boost your business. Now, why only app? Why not a website? Because here are the benefits of app over website. App stays on user's device so you can stay connected with them effectively. App can keep users engaged via notifications and increase user retention. App has better performance and user experience. Easy information delivery via notifications. Apps can solve different set of problems. You can get long-term users. Parents can also get connected. App as a playground. App can be made open source for the sake of improving and adding new features, solving new problems. This will lead to unimaginable growth of the app, building developer ecosystem and community. A healthy problem-solving environment. It is a way to entrepreneurship and ICT startups. Hence, the app will be of the people, for the people, and by the people. Okay, indoor wayfindings is the problem. We have a solution, but how much will it cost you? Pricing plans. Your university being among our first 5 customers, you need not pay the app development cost, which will otherwise be around 30,000 rupees. You have 2 choices. Firstly, if the app is ours, the map development cost is 100 rupees per room. So an estimate of rupees 10,000 if the campus has 100 rooms. We will show minimal ads to pay our bills. Complementary, we can add features as and when we feel is required. Conversely, if you want to own the app, map development cost is rupees 150 per room. So an estimate of 15,000 rupees if the campus has 100 rooms. The app will be ads free. If required, you can add features by paying for it. App will be your property, which is not the case if you take the first plan. Let us have a quick recap over whatever we have discussed so far. There is the problem of indoor wayfindings. We can solve it using our digital indoor maps app. You can add more features. Make the app open source, which opens up a whole new dimension of improving developer ecosystem and paving the way for entrepreneurship. Ultimately, this will make your university stand out and boost admissions. That's all from our side. We can't wait to hear what you think. Kindly share your feedback and query at the mentioned email ID. And don't forget to fill the form for showing your interest. Thank you for your time.